If you're a first-time home seller in Myrtle Beach or the surrounding areas, I'm sure you know that you only get one chance at making a good first impression. When it comes to showcasing your home for sale, photos, drone footage, and video quality can make or break your potential to realize top dollar for your home. Hi, I'm Janet Bunting with Janet Bunting Team Properties at Palmetto Coastal Homes. In my previous video, I talked about preparing your home for sale, and today I'm going to dig into marketing and why it's so very important to go live with great pictures and video quality. If you'd like to see any of the previous videos in this selling series, head over to my YouTube channel, Janet Bunting Team Properties. Because you only get that one shot at your best first impression, I want to make sure that we have plenty of time to get your home photo ready before we go live with your listing. We never want any of our properties to hit the open market without great production content, because buyers will inevitably swipe left and go past your no photo listing, and you'll miss out on your best buyer opportunities. Not only do you want photos as soon as your property goes live, but professional quality is so very important now more than ever before. I'm sure you've seen some pretty interesting pictures of properties and thought to yourself, what were they thinking? Crowded counters, too many trinkets, too much furniture, a photo of the toilet? All are examples of reasons buyers won't take the time to look at your home in person. Your online presence is vital for maximum amount of showings and your best opportunity for a quick sale. I invest heavily in my clients' properties where marketing is concerned and hire amazing photographers and videographers. If you would like to view some of my current properties, head over to my YouTube channel or Facebook pages, Janet Bunting Team Properties. Photos and videos are just one aspect of the marketing that I do for my clients, but I'll go into that in more depth in my next video. If you would like a comprehensive list of my seller services and a free market analysis of your home, click the link below. My goal is to help you sell confidently and move on to your next dream home, because I would love to help you discover your coastal lifestyle.